Hello, my name is Taylor and thanks for joining me today. I have been a raw vegan for about 2 years now, and I figure I'd just share with you what I ate yesterday. So I have it all laid out in front of me. I love to start my day off with coconut water. I like to rehydrate after going the whole night not having eaten or drunk anything. So good to rehydrate with coconut water, and then usually in the next few hours I'll have a really juicy fruit like a mango, or yesterday I had dragon fruits. Dragon fruits are really good right now in Bali. So I'll have anywhere from 4 to 8 dragon fruits. It just depends how hungry I am. And then I'll do whatever I do, maybe some work or exercise or hang out with some friends. And then my next meal would be something a little denser, like bananas, meaning denser in calories. I like to think of it as denser in energy because it gives you more energy. So this is what meal number 2 would look like for me. I could easily eat this whole hand of bananas, 2, 4, maybe 20 bananas. They're not full-size bananas. They come off super easily because they're ripe. That came off effortlessly. So they're about that big compared to my hand. I can eat about 20 of them. And then I might have some coconut meat if I feel like it, but that's about it. I usually eat about 2 meals, maybe 3. So I hope that gave you a little idea of how much you should eat during each meal, what you should eat. You should ideally be in the tropics like I am here right now, because that's where the best fruit is. Tropical fruit is the fruit that has the highest energy or the highest number of calories on average, like bananas, like durian, like champadak, like jackfruit, and many others. And they're the most enjoyable to eat in my opinion because they're just jam-packed with flavor, and it's just pure bliss when you eat them, especially dragon fruit. So that's about it. Peace, much love, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.